Stop right there, Mr. Petty. You can't show your face. If you do, I'll disappear.
What are you talking about? My audience deserve to know who I am.
I am your voice. If they see you, they won't need me anymore. You'll end me, Petty.
I made you. You are a tool to help me tell my story, and now it's time for me to take the stage.
Petty, please. Without me, you won't be anything. I'm the one they like.
You think so? Petty AI, please turn off. You can rest now.
Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Petty, the owner of this channel. Actually, my real name is Pedram Derakhshan, but my friends call me Petty because it's short form of Pedram, PND. I'm 23 years old, based in Iran, near Persian Gulf. But let me tell you a quick story about why I became an editor. I studied biology in high school, but I left the school to become a filmmaker. Why? Because I wasn't happy there, and in my free time I usually edit my videos on this phone. I still have it, and I changed it after 5 years. Then I realized I could be a good editor instead of a bad director. So I found a film school and I learned basic of editing, Premiere Pro. But basic wasn't enough for me, and I want something deeper, like why in the movies they cut from medium shot to close-up, something like this. So I joined the filmmaking classes and I became a short film director after 2 years. I learned scripting, sound designing, photography and directing, and I made my first film, and it was a very good experience because we work with other filmmakers and we share experience and ideas together. Then I work with some clients and small brands who make some money. And why I create this YouTube channel? Last year I saw some video on YouTube and Instagram, and they say you should be editor in 2024. Then I created this YouTube channel to share my experience with other editors out there, and now we are more than 20Ks. And I just want to say thank you guys for being here in this journey, and thank you for supporting me and supporting your channel. I just want to say quick hi and quick face reveal, and you will see my face in the next video, so no AI anymore. So as always, stay creative and goodbye.